How to cook easy beef caldereta. First thing to do is to pan fry the carrots and the potatoes. And then after that, set it aside. Next, in the same pan, we saute garlic and onion. And then we add in the beef cubes. We cook the meat for some minutes. And then we can add in the tomato paste. And 2 cups of water. And then we cover and let it boil. When it boils, it's time to add some salt and pepper. We give it a little mix. And then we cover it again and cook until tender over low heat. After an hour, we can add in pan-fried carrots and potatoes. We cover it again and cook for a few minutes. And next, add in the grated cheddar cheese. Cover it again and cook for a few more minutes. And the next, we can add in the bell peppers and some green olives. We give it a little stir. We cover and cook for some more minutes. And finally, it's done. Thank you for watching.